Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language on Soundtrap. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to change the language on Soundtrap web app. The first thing you'd like to do is to open your web browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com and log into your Soundtrap account using your account credentials. Once logged in, on the home page, look at the left navigation panel, and at the top left you will see your profile name. Now click on your profile name to open the three dots menu. Actually click on the three dots here and you see the drop down menu. In the drop down menu you're going to see settings, subscriptions, and logout. Click on settings to open the settings page. On the settings page you're going to find a couple of categories: profile picture, first name, last name, country, language, email, password, permissions, notifications. So you will see your country and language. Now next to the language option, just go ahead and click on the drop down menu and select your desired language from the list of available options. There are a couple of languages that you can choose from here, so it means anywhere in the world you can use this. After selecting your preferred language, I'm going to stick to English because that's the only language I understand. I didn't want to get confused in this tutorial. But once you've selected your preferred language, the changes will automatically save. So if needed, you can just choose to refresh the page for the new language settings to take effect. And after changing the language, navigate back to the main studio or project to continue working, now with the new language settings applied. So you see that everything, all the words, all the content in your studio or in this website or in your account will be set to the particular language that you changed it to. The language options available in Soundtrap may vary based on your region, so ensure your preferred language is available in the settings. Also, some language settings may also be influenced by your browser's language preferences, so ensure your browser is set to your preferred language. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping the tutorial marvelously helped you search.